In the current context where energy is becoming more expensive, while at the same time households are equipping themselves with more and more electrical appliances, it is now necessary to have intelligent management of this energy to consume better and less. Therefore, Legrand is offering the CX-Cube Smart Electrical Panel solution with Netatmo. This offer allows users to take full control of their home, from lighting to power-hungry appliances, while driving their electricity bill down thanks to predictive energy management features. This solution is composed of several smart modules to be installed directly into any electrical panel at the heart of the home's electrical infrastructure. Some of these modules can monitor the energy and provide detailed graphs and real-time data to give a very accurate and complete picture of the home's energy usage split by source of consumption. Then it will be necessary to control and manage this energy consumption. So the CX-Cube Smart Electrical Panel solution with Netatmo also offers energy management modules to consume this energy at more opportune times when it may be cheaper or when the overall peak consumption of the house is less important. Thus, this solution will help users to manage all types of electrical loads, from hallway lighting to electrical vehicle charging stations. All of this can be done very easily from the user's smartphone by simply controlling their devices from anywhere in the world via the Home Plus Control smartphone app, or simply by asking their favorite voice assistant, as this solution is natively integrated with the major smart home ecosystem and voice assistants.